Welcome to Madhwa Boom Law Firm LLC YouTube channel. If you have a conditional green card, the I-751 petition to remove conditions on your residence is one of the most important steps in protecting your permanent resident status. But many conditional residents make avoidable mistakes that can create serious immigration problems. In today's video, we're breaking down some of the biggest mistakes to avoid at the I-751 stage. Before we begin, subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss important U.S. immigration updates and legal information from Madhwa Boom Law Firm LLC. One of the biggest mistakes is misunderstanding when the I-751 should be filed. In the typical case, a conditional permanent resident must file Form Y-751 during the 90-day period immediately before the conditional residence expires. Filing too early may result in the petition being rejected, while filing late can create significant problems and may require an explanation for the delay. Do not wait until the last minute to gather your documents. Start preparing early so you have time to address any questions or complications. Another common mistake is submitting insufficient evidence. For couples filing jointly, USCIS generally expects evidence demonstrating that the marriage was entered into in good faith and that the couple built a life together, not simply evidence that the couple is still married. Evidence matters. Depending on your circumstances, relevant evidence may include joint financial records, tax filings, insurance policies, children's birth certificates, and other documents showing your shared life. Some conditional residents assume that an I-751 must always be filed jointly with their spouse. That's not always the case. Certain conditional residents may be eligible to request a waiver of the joint filing requirement based on circumstances such as divorce, battery, or extreme hardship. If your circumstances have changed, do not assume that you have no options. The correct filing strategy depends heavily on your specific facts. If you are separated, divorced, or experiencing serious marital difficulties, simply ignoring those circumstances can create complications. If you are filing under a waiver, you may need to provide documentation that supports the specific basis for it. Inaccurate or incomplete information can have serious consequences. Another mistake is rushing through Form Y-751 without carefully reviewing every answer. Errors, omissions, or missing signatures can create unnecessary problems. Before submitting your petition, carefully review the form, supporting evidence, and filing instructions that apply to your situation. Do not ignore notices from USCIS. You may receive a request for evidence, a notice to appear for an interview, or another communication requiring action. Missing a deadline can negatively affect your case. If you receive a notice that you do not understand, consider speaking with a qualified immigration attorney promptly. If you are finding this information helpful, take a moment to subscribe. We regularly share important information about U.S. immigration law and more. Every I-751 case is different. A straightforward joint petition may have very different requirements from a waiver-based petition. Every case is different. Your individual facts matter. That is why copying someone else's strategy or relying solely on advice from social media can be risky. Many people wait until they receive a difficult USCIS notice before seeking legal guidance. But getting advice early may help you understand your options. If your situation involves complications like divorce or criminal history, your case may require careful legal analysis. Don't wait until it's too late. Let's quickly recap the biggest mistakes. Number 1. Waiting too long. Number 2. Weak evidence. Number 3. Not understanding your options. Number 4. Not documenting changes. Number 5. Filing without review. Number 6. Ignoring notices. And number 7. Assuming every case is the same. Prepare early. Document your case. Be truthful. Respond to USCIS and get qualified legal guidance. If you are preparing to file Form Y-751 or facing complications, it may be important to understand your legal options before taking action. For personalized legal guidance regarding your specific circumstances, contact Madhwa Boom Law Firm LLC to discuss your case. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Like this video, share it, and leave your questions in the comments below. This video is for general informational and educational purposes only. It is not legal advice and does not create an attorney-client relationship. Consult an attorney for your specific situation. Madwabum Law Firm, LLC. Thank you for watching our video on I-751 mistakes.